싱싱해 보이는데. So Balmuda has sent me some goodies. If you guys don't know Balmuda, like literally I've been wanting this for the longest time. It's this Japanese brand and they sell the cutest aesthetic looking home appliances. And I have been eyeing it for the longest time because they sell it at, I believe, Willie and Sonoma too, but at Crate & Barrel. And anytime I went to like Seattle and New York and I was at Muji, I always saw it there. Oh, they reached out that they wanted to gift it to me and I was so excited. I was like, yes, please. Ah! Okay, I'm so excited right now. Poster of it! Literally, thank you so much, Balmuda. I'm so excited for this. Okay, I'll show you this once I do this because it's taking forever. Ah! Should I do it this way? I don't know. Move the Balmuda here because if this just looks so much better. But yeah, I think that's gonna be our setup. It's okay, I'll look. You do. Actually, is this enough?
I think 1.5 passes.
Is enough. Maybe I should have just saved half of it.
Medium part? Oh, it says here that they list
Nice.
It's good, right, Noah? It's like 커피를 마시고 페이스트리를 가서 먹고. It's a little different.
싱싱해 보이는데. 싱싱한데?
엄마가 이렇게 농사를 잘 짓는
나 빵. 혜민 넣고 빵을 먹으라 그래.
응, 그럴 거야.
아빠.
아, 맞다.
아빠.
아빠.
누구 아빠야?
Oh, interesting.
입이 저기 유.
What?
Do you want me to use both 호박?
네가 쓰고 싶은 대로 해. 전 만들고 싶으면 전 만들면 되고. 하고 싶은 대로 해.
it's okay. I got it. I finished. Oh my.
Oh, that you're happy.
Broccoli too. You like it? You like it, sweetie? Oh yeah!
What doing?
Oh my. I don't know if I have room for chadol.
Good job.
Nice. I'll be adding a little of this.
Meet the princess face, okay? Okay, Ella.
엘라한테 좀 내요.
Is the broccoli okay?
Your water, your water.
Oh, 맛있어?
Ellie, you want?
I'll see it.
Essie, hey.
I want that.
Con mì sức cả đấy.